love hot chocolate, I love white chocolate, I love peppermint and marshmallows. So we are going to try a Pinterest recipe. I saw this and I had actually those Lindor mints, like the white chocolate peppermint, and I'm like, okay, you know what, I got these. I saw them on Pinterest. I'm a Pinterest girl. I'm gonna go ahead and try them. And yeah, I hope it turns out great.
I had no real plan here. I kind of just put in a splash of milk. I just kind of guessed the amount that I would use, and then of course I put the burner on like low medium. And just for some added flavor, I just add some vanilla syrup I had sitting on my coffee counter. And these are the chocolates I chose to use, but of course you can choose any flavor to your liking. These are the white chocolate peppermint. I had no set amount I chose to use. I kind of just grabbed a handful and I just put them in here one by one. And in the end, I ended up adding more just to be a creamier base. If you look closely at these, there's like a really soft chocolate inside and it just melts perfectly. And then you go ahead and just stir it until it's nice and melted and creamy and just a really liquid texture. I ended up using my frother that I got off of Amazon just to make it like kind of like a latte foamy top. And then I went ahead and just added some little marshmallows on top just to make it that much better. And my kids really liked it as well. And in the end, after all of this, you get this nice and creamy hot chocolate. It is absolutely delicious, and personally, I prefer the white chocolate version.
Alright, I want to tell you guys, it is insanely sweet. Like, I couldn't drink it more than like probably once a week just because it put me in like a sugar coma. But it is so good, it is so creamy, and like just the right amount of peppermint. If you love something like that, like those peppermint white chocolates, I definitely recommend trying.